Now, if you're planning on building on a lake lot, this is definitely something you'll want to consider. These double doors lead to the subterranean garage. This is really convenient for storing paddle boards, kayaks, all the water toys, tubes, rather than carrying them all the way around to the garage. Another great feature about this area is the timber-framed eyebrow roof. Really dresses up that entrance. Here we are in the subterranean garage. Now, earlier I mentioned this would be a great space for storing lake toys. In this case, the client opted to use it as a workshop. This could be used as a theater room, a gym, or even a tucked under garage. We used hollow core panels on the ceiling to span the first floor garage. We poured the foundation walls further down so that we could actually utilize this square footage. Now remember, we're on a narrow lake lot, so the customer didn't have the ability to do multi-buildings. That's why they opted to go ahead and put the workshop underneath the garage. And as we carry around to the front of the home, you'll notice this impressive retaining wall. These boulders blend so nice with the stone on the home. This is why it's important for us to know about your lot. Get a survey, a topo map. You'll notice that this is a narrower lake lot. It's got some setbacks due to the DNR, and it's got some topography that we had to deal with. But we took all that into account to design this beautiful home and achieve everything the client was looking for. And as we wrap around to the front of the home, we've got a 3-car garage that features 2 dormers. The dormers are a really great way to add curb appeal, but in this case, they're multifunctional. The client wanted to be able to expand the home for future generations to come. So we've actually doubled the square footage of the garage by adding a bonus room above there. That space is all prepped to be finished off for a future private suite. With the dormers, they'll have windows, great views, nothing will be lost up there. Now, in addition to the 3-car garage, we've also got a 1-car detached garage for extra storage. It even features a bell tower from the original home that sat on this property. But my favorite feature of this garage is this view. Let's go take a look at that. How many garages do you know that have a lake view like that? This garage also incorporates 10-foot ceilings, insulated walls, the same trim that's used on the inside. So it's not just a garage, it's really an expansion of the footprint of the home. You could be out here having big parties, hosting guests. If it's raining outside, you're still covered and still taking advantage of a great view outside. We've got the subterranean garage below us, main floor garage right here, and then the future private suite up above us. That's a way that Golden Eagle's design team was actually able to add square footage to the home without increasing the footprint on this narrow lake lot. As you're into the home, you're greeted by this impressive front porch. We've got these massive 2-foot by 2-foot stone pillars supporting this amazing timber accent truss above us. We come inside, we've got stamped concrete finish, giving it a plank look. We've got our 2x8 shiplap chiseled siding, giving it that real rustic look. We've got our tongue and groove ceiling finish and our chiseled board-on-board texture above us. Coming up to the front door, we've got a convenient entrance with a 0 entry right in, and this impressive 6-foot wide by 8-foot tall front door. Now this might seem bigger than your average porch. And the reason why is it actually doubles as a tennis pavilion. Over here, we've got a full-size tennis court, pickleball, and even a basketball hoop. And that's what's so great about building a brand new Golden Eagle log and timber home. We've built over 6,000 homes, and we understand it's not just about building a home. It's about building a destination, a place where the family wants to come and gather and spend time together. So if you're ready to start building your legacy home, give us a call today.